Welcome to the 2025 World Championship for the 6 meters at Seawanhaka.
6 meters were here in the 1920s.
It's the second oldest yacht club in the United States.
We last held this event in 1987, so almost 40 years ago.
This club has such an important role in the history of the 6 meter.
The honor to present you the King Juan Carlos Trophy. But we had the privilege to be able to receive a brand new trophy offered by His Majesty Juan Carlos to the class. It looks like it's going to be a fantastic week.